Hello Tantric people, this is Deborah from Solo Tantra, and I'm just going to shake a little knowledge on breath of fire. If you have a big dog or you've been around a big dog, then you might see that breath of fire is different than panting like a dog. If you're panting like a dog in breath of fire, then you're probably going to pass out. Dogs, they can change their panting up, so that's confusing, but typically they are sucking in the air in their mouth too cool. They are not as many people without dogs think, or people with very tiny dogs that don't pant very loud think. So they're sucking in, but there's also a strong emphasis with dogs on the inhale and exhale, that both are strong. So if you're a human and you try to breathe like that, you're going to pass out, hyperventilate, something. It's not good. With breath of fire, the emphasis on the exhale through the nose, but the inhale is passive. The breath is also heating rather than panting of a dog is cooling. There's a lot more to it, but just if someone tells you to pant like a dog, or you teach people to do breath work, especially breath of fire, panting like a dog, no, that is confusing and also typically incorrect. So, breath of fire. Dog panting. There's a difference. Namaste.